Hey everybody, how's it going? Well, today I'm going to see if I can hit anything with this reproduction model 1847 Dragoon Carbine. I got it from Veteran Arms. It's an India-made musket, smooth bore. I'm going to be using .662 round balls, and if I was going to make paper cartridges, I think I'm going to have to go with the .648. But I don't have enough 648. I only got about 4 rounds. I got some on order. So today I will not be using paper cartridges, just loose powder than ball. So let's see if I can hit my target that's about 52 yards downrange. Alright, let's load her up for the first time and see if I can hit anything. I'm going to use 70 grains of 2F. .662 round ball, nice and snug. And what did I do? Put a little bit of wadding on top of the ball. Alright, here we go. 50 yards. I think I saw some wood chips flying off my target stand. Can't tell if I hit it though, the actual target or just the stand. Let's go take a look. First shot at 50 yards. Round 2, 70 grains of 2F. Cock it. This was my first shot, second shot, third shot. So I did bring the sight down a little bit from the first shot. So first, second, third, 50 yards. Probably about 52 yards in actuality. So I'm a little to the left. I don't know if I can hit it at 100. Let's find out. I'm now at the 100-yard mark. I don't know about this. I heard the bullet smack something. I don't know if my target stand or the tree. I can't believe it. I was aiming about right here. So I moved over a little bit and raised her up just a little bit. And I'll take that. I think I'm going to stop while I'm ahead. Yeah, I jinxed myself. Another attempt at 100 yards. If you're a left-handed shooter, you'll understand the glove. Let's see if I redeemed myself. I doubt it. Yeah, I jinxed myself. That first 100-yard shot. After that, I can't hit the broadside of a barn. I bumped her up to 80 grains. I don't know if this will make a difference or not. I doubt it. Well, I can't hit anything at 100 yards. I got lucky with that first shot. So now I moved up to 65 yards. Go take a look. There's my 65-yard shot. I overcompensated. I raised the front end up too high. And that's my biggest issue shooting smooth bores. I never can really gauge how high or how low to aim. And I'm sure other people have problems or had problems with that as well. That might be why these were considered not very accurate by the troopers that carried them. The 1847 would have replaced the Hall carbine, which was rifled and a breech loader. So a lot of troopers, from what I've heard, were very disappointed when they got this carbine. They also complained about the recoil. So I was shooting 70 grains. I don't know what the standard military load for this would have been. I tried to look it up online, and somebody said it was 70. I don't know. 70 doesn't kick that bad. With that being said, in order to remedy the recoil, they drilled a hole in the buttstock and they put lead in the buttstock to give the carbine some more weight. Now the originals might have weighed less than this one. This one is kind of beefy, so that could be the difference between this and an original. This one may be a little more beefier, but at 70 grains, it's not that much of a recoil. But anyways, nice little carbine. I like it. It adds to my collection. I do love the cavalry carbines, so it was a must-have for me. But yep, there's the range report. So, all right, thanks for watching. Take care. Safe shooting.